Cleany!
Oh, hi, Spooky.
You look like you're happy about something.
Cap's invitation. You got one too, right?
Let me see. In honor of being named Broomstown's most stylish citizen, I'm throwing a party and would like you to attend. I haven't gotten mine yet. Is it in the mailbox?
Well then, hurry home and check. He said he was inviting all his close friends. I'm sure you're the first one he sent an invitation to.
I'll go check. What? There's nothing here. Maybe it fell?
Ooh.
Stacy! Stacy!
Spooky, where have you been all this time?
Stacy, did an invitation come for me?
Invitation? No, it didn't.
Huh, well that can't be right.
Hello, Spooky.
Oh, hello there, Lifty. Wait, you got an invitation too?
Yes, I was at the harbor today when Posty delivered this to me. Cap's party sounds like fun.
I'm gonna find out what's going on here.
Spooky, where are you going now?
Bye, Spooky.
So I'm the only one he didn't invite.
It's just a small party.
It's Cap.
Did you both get your invitations?
We sure did. Do you think Posty's delivered them all?
Oh, please say no, please.
Of course. They all needed to be delivered this morning.
Oh, Cap, how could you?